right, this demonstration is called the silver egg. We're gonna take an egg and we're gonna make it turn into a silver egg, maybe. Let's see. The materials we need. You need to have an egg. It does not have to be a hard-boiled egg. Just an ordinary fresh egg works. In this case, I'm gonna be using a candle, so you're gonna need at least one candle. And then also we're gonna need a glass with water in it. Now the egg, we're going to be putting that above the candle and depositing some soot on there, so I'm going to be using some tongs to do this with. So these are the materials that you need for this demonstration. So we're going to run this, and then at the end we'll come back around and I'll talk to you about the science behind it. How are we actually able to turn our egg into silver? Alright, so I'm going to take an egg. This one looks like a fun egg here. And I'm going to hold it without breaking it. I'm going to start putting it right over top of the flame here. All right, and there you can see just a little bit of the soot deposit, the carbon on here. We need to do this to the entire egg. So we're gonna pause and I'll be back in about 5 minutes after I've completely covered this egg with soot. All right, it's been about 5 minutes now and I've got this egg completely covered in soot, okay? And so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take it and I'm going to set it down inside of this glass of water. And this is just normal, ordinary tap water. So again, black egg, this is definitely not silver as of yet, but as soon as it goes down into the water, we've got a silver egg. Trying to spin this thing around so that you can see the different sides to it. Looks like a solid chunk of metal. All right, that right there is the silver egg demonstration. Okay, what's the science behind this? How did I get this egg to turn into silver? It's obviously not silver right now. What it is it's an egg that I deposited some soot. So in this case, we've got some wax, specifically carbon deposits. That's what we can call this soot on here. So a buildup of this carbon on the egg, which is hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means water-fearing, okay? Hydrophilic would mean water-loving. Well, this stuff is water-fearing, so as I took it and I started to place it down into the water, what it did is it was repelling the water at the same time it was attracted to the air. So it brought down with it some air right next to its surface and it's repelling the water. So with that small surface of air right around it and then water being placed away from it, we get some refraction. So light, when it travels from one medium to another that has a different, what's called index of refraction, light will bend. And that's what's happening here. So thinking about light that's hitting off the egg, it's hitting off the egg, that black carbon, so that light is traveling up, it's hitting through the air, and then it's hitting the water and it's bending. So that bending of light makes us see what looks to be a shiny, silvery, reflective type color. All because light is being refracted as it travels from the air that's trapped right next to the surface to the water right next to it. So as I take this egg and if I pull it back up and out, well now we've got air and we've got air, so we don't have that light refraction. It should go back to looking like our normal, ordinary black egg. And it does, except for the fact that some of it's starting to rinse off down inside the water. So enjoy this demonstration.